Hey guys, it's me, Erados12, and today we're doing something different. First time ever. It's going to be a code review for scripting. That's right, folks. You're going to learn how to script basically like anyone else scripts. Now, there's some techniques that there's going to be some techniques I'm going to be showing you guys, but this is the first part of the code review scripting tutorials. Now, the code review RPG scripting tutorials are very different. Those were the ones that I had before. Not to mention, I had a few explanations. But yeah. So, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what print does and also what each type of data is. So I'm not even going to go there. I'm going to insert a script. So, here's what you do. First thing you want to know is that this is a string right here. And when it prints, if I can get this to print to the console. Hold on, guys. I gotta adjust this. There you go. Let me get the output for you. Print. Oh, world. I just got up. Yeah, I just got up. Prints hello world. Now, what if you wanted to do this? If it prints 2, right? Let me show you what it does. And these are some basic Lua data types. Okay? Next tutorial, we're going to be showing you other data types such as vector 3s, enumerations, color sequences, colors. So basically we have here hello world and 2. And this other stuff is from my plugin. There's a plugin that I have for RPG creation called Saber RPG Studio or Saber PG Studio. Get it, Saber RPG Studio. Let me stick it together. Yeah. So then, let me show you the next part. The next part of this is going to be this. We're going to print another value to the console. So then we're going to do like print and what this is a table. Now tables are really efficient if you especially if you're storing things in data stores. Like you want to keep in mind that with the table you can store a lot more than just storing a string. Now one thing I can tell you about Navin Raj's kit is that it has the worst way of storing values. That's not the way to do it because once those values are stored in all those data stores, one of them could go down. Honestly. It happened too. I eventually had to transfer all of the data into a table in order to conserve space enough for the other data stores out there. But now everything's good because that data store that is used for the tool store, like I showed you last time, there was a tool store service mechanism that I made in which it was not activated until we got rid of all the rest. So yeah. Anyways, let me show you exactly what I meant by this. Print 2, 2, 2, 2, and another 2. Go to the Explorer, play. Here it comes. As you can see, Hello World 2 and Table are both. But wait a minute, what is this, you ask? Well, if you don't know what this is, it's basically a hexadecimal value. Yeah, tables are encoded in the hexadecimal values as data that you can print. Like, their serialization is really tight to the point where it uses hexadecimal. Now, another data type I haven't showed you yet is a Boolean. A Boolean, and I'm also going to show you functions and coroutines. So what this means is that something is either true, which means it actually is basically what it says on the tin, like Alvin Block says, true, or something could be false, is what it says on the tin. And I see that it says hello world, 2, table, and true. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you this data type in another code review. But if you want, you can let me know in the comments what you want to see. If you have something specific that you want to see. So now I'm going to show you guys another thing. Print. And then the next thing I want to print to you is specifically the try to figure out what it is. Oh yeah, functions. Print function return true. And there. Yeah. Watch what happens when you print that. If it prints, who knows? And basically a function has like an end at it, so you have to remember to do that. And you can return a value or you can run something. Now see, functions are also in the hexadecimal values. So basically what I showed you here is that these types. Now another thing I have to show you is the last and final thing that is part of the Lua data types, the coroutine. Print spawn function return true. And let's try that out. Now spawn is basically what you use for coroutines, which have functions in them that you can run at once. Now the print is what you ask. Nope, doesn't print. In fact, I forgot to tell you that it has to be a certain way in order for you to be able to see it right. Sorry guys, just a shower. Okay, coroutine dot create. Basically this is a thread. So it basically is like a like in Java they have threads, but there's more data types and classes than you would usually see here. It's more object oriented than Lua is. I've learned a lot of languages over my years. Like I've learned around 18 or maybe over 18. I'm about to learn my 19.7. So now you see here it has hello world, which is a data type for a string. 2 is a data type for a number. A table is printed with hexadecimals. Booleans are printed as is, as they say on the tin, true or false. Functions are printed also with hexadecimals, and so are threads. Threads are basically coroutines. Okay, so there you have it. The very thing that runs data types. If you want, you can like this video, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. And if you thought it was helpful, please let me know in the comments as well. So, yeah. Anyways, cheers.